Paris Olympics 2024 final medal table. USA is at the first position with 126 medals, followed by China second place with 91 medals, Japan third position 45 medals, Australia fourth, host France is at fifth place with 64 medals, Netherlands sixth position, Great Britain seventh, Korea eighth, Italy ninth, and Germany 10th position with 33 medals. New Zealand 11th place 20 medals. Canada 12th place 27 medals. Uzbekistan 13th place. Hungary 14th position. Spain 15th position. Sweden 16th position. Kenya 17. Norway 18th position. Ireland 19. Brazil 20. Iran 21. Ukraine 22. Romania 23. Georgia 24th position. Belgium 25th position. Bulgaria 26. Serbia 27. Czech Republic 28. Denmark 29. Azerbaijan 30th position. Croatia 30, Cuba 32, Bahrain 33, Slovenia 34, Chinese Taipei 35, Austria 36, Hong Kong China 37, Philippines 37, Algeria 38, and Indonesia 39th position. Israel 41, Poland 42 position 10 medals, Kazakhstan 43, Jamaica 44, South Africa 44th position, Thailand 44, Ethiopia 47, Switzerland 48th position 8 medals, Ecuador 49th position, Portugal 50th position. Greece 51, Argentina 52, Egypt 52, Tunisia 52, Botswana 55, Chile 55, Saint Lucia 55, Uganda 55, Dominican Republic 59, Guatemala 60, Morocco 60, Dominica 62, 1 gold medal, Pakistan 1 gold medal 62, Turkey 64, 8 medals no gold, 65 Mexico, 66 Armenia, 66 Colombia, 68 Kyrgyzstan, DPR Korea 68, and Lithuania 70. India 71, no gold medal, Republic of Moldova 72, Kosovo 73, Cyprus 74, Cyprus, Fiji, Jordan, Mongolia, Panama, all these countries are at 54, 74, Tajikistan 79, Albania 80, Grenada 80, Malaysia 80, Puerto Rico 80 position, Cote Ivory Coast 84th position, Cabo Verde 84th position, refugee Olympic team 1 bronze medal 84, Peru 84, Qatar 84, Singapore 84, and Slovakia 84.